How to assemble our full-motion dual monitor mount. Attach the base to the pole using the provided bolt through the center hole on the base. Insert the bolt into the remaining hole on the base and tighten. Attach the L bracket using the 2 bolts through the top of the base plate. On the inside of the clamp, partially install the next bolts, leaving a small gap of about 5 mm between the bracket and the base of each bolt. For thinner desks, assemble the clamp handle in the original orientation with the bracket facing downward. Add the lower washer, oval plate, and top washer to the clamp bolt, then secure it with the small bolt. Place the clamp handle onto the 2 bolts on the L bracket and slide it down. Tighten both bolts until secure. For thicker desks, assemble the clamp handle with the bracket facing upward. Remove the hand knob and flip the bracket so it faces away from the handle, then reinstall the hand knob. Proceed with the next steps based on the prior configuration. Position the mount on the edge of the desk and tighten the hand knob until the clamp is secure. For grommet mounting, remove the clamp handle and slide the oval plate directly over the grommet bolt. If your desk has a grommet hole between 0.4 and 2.4 inches wide and 0.4 to 1.6 inches thick, it's ready for install. If not, drill a 3/8 of an inch hole in your desired location. From underneath the desk, slot the grommet handle through the hole and attach the pole on top. Tighten the handle until secure. Slide the arms onto the pole, then attach the cable clips to the monitor arms and vertical pole below. Adjust the monitor arms to the desired height and tighten the rear bolt using the hex wrench until secure. Choose the correct mounting bolts and washers for your monitor. Attach the VESA plate to the back of the monitor using the selected bolts. Tighten until secure, do not over-tighten. Slide the VESA plates onto the ends of the monitor arms. Place the knob onto the height adjustment peg and secure it with the bolt. This allows for fine height adjustments, just don't over-tighten. If the monitor tilts too easily or won't stay in place, tighten the bolt behind the VESA bracket. To level the height of the screens, turn the thumb knob to raise or lower the monitor. Store the hex wrenches in the built-in slots on the cable clip so they're always within reach. Route your cables through the clips to keep your desktop clean and organized.